This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101. Now, one of the issues that happens is the vesting is to provide the ability to enforce a right in court. A quick example of this might be a situation where if the insured is still alive, the designated beneficiary cannot change the contract, because the insured still owns the policy and controls who is going to be the beneficiary. However, once the deceased once the insured is deceased, that vesting takes place and the beneficiaries are now vested in the policy. And at that point, they can go to court to an insurance company and say, here is the death certificate on our grandfather. We want our share of the money. Now, the court is very likely to do something where if there's a dispute among the heirs or the designated beneficiaries, there is a way for the insurance company to pay the money into the registry of the court to say, look, person had a $100,000 policy. We agree that he's deceased. Here's the $100,000. You, the court, make the decision. We're not going to get in between, and this could even be a community property dispute, or one spouse says, well, the policy beneficiary was changed without the permission of the other spouse. You could have all sorts of entertaining situations like that. So what happens is that the insurance company washes its hands and said, we don't need to be in this deal. Here's the money, court. You make the decision. We're out of the deal. So that's something you might see in a case where there's a dispute about modified insurance and beneficiaries and so forth. Pretty interesting area. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.